According to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, motor vehicle crashes are the leading cause of death and injuries in the U.S., with more than 33,000 fatalities and 2.3 million injuries each year. Driving down those numbers to zero is the goal of State Department of Transportation traffic safety projects and programs being implemented across the country. In San Antonio in 2012, Texas DOT installed a wrong-way driver detection and warning system similar to this one, using signs, flashing lights, and detection sensors to prevent wrong-way crashes like this one that often lead to head-on collisions.
In those 3 years, when we can catch them on our cameras at TransGuide, we can actually follow them in real time and help the police to catch them. In those 3 years, we have stopped 44 wrong-way drivers on our highways. We know that every time we can stop a wrong-way driver, we are potentially saving a life or multiple lives.
Texas DOT was among 7 state departments of transportation, receiving the prestigious National Roadway Safety Award for projects and programs that are working to prevent accidents and save lives. Victor Mendez, Deputy Secretary for the USDOT, gave the keynote address.
The more minds that we put to solving a challenge, the better chance of success that we will have for the American people. Your work inspires us at the federal level, and it keeps our neighbors and communities safe as they go to work or school or to the doctor or anywhere else.
Michigan DOT won its award for the department's statewide installation of rumble strips, those roadway treatments that create vibrations as you drive over them, alerting motorists to potential danger.
We found a 51% statewide reduction in fatalities and 47% overall reduction in our target crashes, which were any that involved a centerline cross, run off the road left, head on, side swipe. So really great results and a really low-cost safety improvement. It was about 11 cents a foot to put them in.
Virginia DOT won for the installation of something called a road diet. That's when traffic engineers take away and or repurpose travel lanes to make driving, biking, and walking safer.
Based on the numbers that we're seeing in Reston, probably 100 crashes that have not happened that would have otherwise. And that's just these 2 projects. What's really great about this initiative is we're starting to institutionalize road diets and implementing them elsewhere in Northern Virginia.
The Virginia Department of Transportation's second award was for the deployment of a computer-based tool that helps traffic engineers deploy safety projects in locations where they will do the most good. The Arkansas State Highway and Transportation Department won for a pavement resurfacing program that dramatically reduced crashes on wet pavement. The Florida Department of Transportation won for its vehicle-mounted advanced lighting measurement system that identifies areas of high risk for crashes due to low light conditions. FDOT's second award was for its Safe Mobility for Life Coalition, which is addressing the issue of older drivers. The Orange County, Florida Department of Public Works won for a program that decided to conduct what are called road safety audits that engage the public in new ways. Christine LOFYE says public input is vital.
I think the traditional road safety audit leaves that component out. The road safety audit, small area studies that we've been doing in Orange County, it's a key part of our program, and a lot of times we find that there are issues that we weren't aware of, and so through engaging with the public, we find out about them and then are able to address the problems.
The Montana Department of Transportation won for its roadway departure study and safety information management system. It helps the department determine those locations at highest risk for road or lane departure crashes. The goal of this tool is to identify those highway segments at highest risk so improvements can be made. And the Washington State Department of Transportation was honored for its 2014 County Safety Program, which requires counties to develop data-driven local road safety plans before they can apply for Highway Safety Improvement Program funds.
Target Zero, we have a plan in the state to get to 0 deaths by 2030, and I think continuing to work with local communities will get us there, so very proud.
There's no way to add up how many lives these safety projects and programs are saving, but each one is taking their state and the nation ever closer to the ultimate goal of 0 deaths on the nation's roadways.
One of the reasons this program has grown and flourished over the past decade is because of the partnership that we have between the Roadway Safety Foundation and the Federal Highway Administration. So I'd just like to give a special thanks to our partners at FHWA and at USDOT for their commitment to highway safety and for their support of this awards program.
Follow this link to find out more about the awards. And thanks for watching Safety First, right here on AASHTO Transportation TV.